Hello students, today we are going to discuss one of the interesting poem in your textbook, The Pilgrim. So let's start. A pilgrim going alone highway came at evening, cold and grey, to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Now let's see the meaning. A pilgrim going alone highway. That was evening. He was old and he was crossing chasm. Chasm means a deep valley. How was that? It was deep, vast and wide. He crossed it. He crossed it before the darkness, twilight dream. That is, before the darkness, he crossed the valley. The chasm held no fear for him. It shows that the man was courageous and he crossed that deep valley before the night. But when he crossed, he paused, that he waited over there. And when he reached the other side, he reached to the other side, and what he did? He built a bridge to span the tide. To go to the other side, what he did? He built a bridge. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye here at eventide? So when the old man he came across the valley, the deep valley, there was other fellow pilgrim along with him. And the fellow pilgrim asked the old man, that old man, why you are building that bridge? Because your journey ends with the close of the day, that before darkness, before night, you completed your journey and you are not going to come back here again. Then why you are building this bridge? Why you are wasting your time? The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said, there follow after me today a fair-haired youth who must pass this way. The chasm which held no fear for me, to the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. The old man answered, when the fellow pilgrim asked that why you are wasting your time here, why you are building a bridge when you have crossed this valley, the old man answered that my friend, in the path I have come, he said, there follow after me today a fair-haired youth. There was one more pilgrim, that youth pilgrim, he was following the man. The chasm which held no fear for me, I did not have any fear for this deep valley. But the youth who was following me, he may fall in this deep valley. This deep valley may be pitfall for him. He may trap in it. And that is why, as that youth should also cross this valley safely, I am building the bridge for that youth pilgrim. So that answer he gave. So I hope this poem is understood. Let's see the exercise, students. See the first one. Pick out words from the poem to fill in the web diagram. They should be related to the theme in the web. Let's see the first web diagram. Travel is our theme. And we need to write 4 words which are related to travel. But remember, the words should be there from the poem. So let's find from the poem the words which are related with the travel. The first one is the title of the poem itself, The Pilgrim. It is related with travel. One word we have got. The other one is highway. So 2 words we have got. The third one is, let's search, bridge. That is also related with it. And the other one is yes, the other one is journey, right? So these are the 4 words which are related to travel. Now the next one is time around sunset. We need to write 4 words from the poem which related with time around sunset. So let's search again in the poem. 4 words we require which are related with time. Let's see what are those words. Twilight dim, that is one we received. Evening, that is other word. 2 words got over. We got 2 words. Now the third one, close of the day. Yes, third one is close of the day. And fourth one is evening, eventide. Right? Is there any other one? Let's see, related with it. Twilight dim we have written. Okay. So 4 words. Right, end of the day. End of the day is one of the word that we can write. Okay. So these are the 4 words. The time around sunset. Okay. Let's see the next. Match the words in column A with what they imply in column B. So let's see. Column A is pilgrim. Now let's find the answer in column B. Pilgrim, a dutiful man. See, F is the answer. Pilgrim, a dutiful man. Second is journey. Journey is life. Evening or close of day. Close of day is evening, that is old age. Close of day is old age. Chasm or deep wide. The answer is solving the problem. The next one is building a bridge. Let's see. Yes, chasm. Let me correct this. Chasm, deep wide is threat to life. Fourth one, threat to life. Fifth one, building a bridge is solving the problem. Pitfall. Pitfall is trap. Pitfall is trap. And close of day is death. So let me repeat this once again. Pilgrim, a dutiful man. Journey, life. Evening or close of day is old age. Chasm, deep and wide is threat to life. Building a bridge is solving the problems. Pitfall is trap. Close of day is death. So I hope all the answers are clear to you. Now the next question. Read the poem and write 3 qualities of each of the following. The old pilgrim, the fellow pilgrim and young pilgrim. Right. So let's see the old pilgrim. We need to write 3 qualities of old pilgrim. How was that old pilgrim? He was kind. So kind is his quality. He was courageous because he completed the difficult journey of crossing the chasm. So he was courageous. And third one is helpful. So kind, courageous and helpful. These are the 3 qualities. Fellow pilgrim. How was the fellow pilgrim? He was selfish, right? He never thought about others. So he was selfish, he was impatient and he was rude also, as he did not want to help others. So selfish, then he was not ready to help others. He refused help to others and he was impatient. He was rude, he was impatient and he was selfish. So selfish, rude, impatient. These are qualities of fellow pilgrim. Now the young pilgrim, fair-haired youth. So he was good looking. Good looking is one of his quality. Good looking, he was determined and he was brave also because he was crossing that chasm. So he was brave also. So brave, good looking and one more quality we need to write for young pilgrim, determinant. Okay, so these are 3 qualities of young pilgrim. Now answer in your own words. Why did the old man have no need to build the bridge across the chasm? The old man no need to build the bridge across the old chasm because he completed his journey before the evening. So he no need to construct the bridge. He no need to build the bridge because he completed his journey before night. What explanation did he give to the fellow pilgrim for his thoughtful deed? The explanation that the old man gave to the fellow pilgrim was he was building a bridge for the youth pilgrim so that the youth pilgrim can also cross the chasm safely. What message does the poem convey to all of us? What message, students, we received from the poem? That we should always help others. That message we received from this poem. So I hope till here you understood the activities and the poem. So note down all the questions, write the answers to it. The next question, that is rhyming word, that we will discuss in the next video. So I hope this is understood by all. Thank you.